Hello guys, my lips are pink. You know why my lips are pink? Because if I can get it.
Nasty.
Shut up.
You're nasty.
Screw you, Dylan.
I'm your mother.
Shut up.
This is why my lips are pink. Hey. What are you doing?
I am nothing. I was showing him why your lips were pink. Come here. Come here, dork. Can't do it with you laughing.
What did you do? Hey, you have my face.
What are you doing?
Hey, she made me glare mustache.
You want a mustache?
I can give you a mustache.
Go away.
Got a blood in one.
Oh, this is my baby brother. That's my dill pickle. No.
Hey, where's my lipstick?
My lipstick.
My lipstick.
I'm putting it on.
That's my lipstick.
No, it's not. It's Sailor's.
No, it's not. Nuh-uh. No, it's not. It's mine. You know you gotta cover all your lips.
I know a short one, but you don't want to put it on weird.
Dude, Tiffany, she's gone. Don't worry, you guys can do whatever you
I wish you could do that like my lips.
Oh, my bad. I ruined it. It don't taste good. Okay.
But it doesn't come off. Don't you dare kiss me.
I wasn't going to. Dork.
Okay, guys, this is my lipstick. Here is my lip. Okay, guys, are you ready to see me? Look fancy. Ooh, I have a mustache.
Come here.
I have a mustache. No comment. Dylan,
What?
you stole my drink.
I stole you a cup.
Dylan, why'd you steal her cup?
I found a cup. You know this?
I have one. Look at my mustache.
You got an Adolf Hitler mustache? You got an Adolf Hitler mustache. Destiny,
What?
come here.
Mm-mm.
Go like this.
Mm-mm.
Just do it.
Come
It's
here.
nothing bad.
The hell of a night.
Did you say you were? I have it now.
Alright, how pretty does she look? Alright, no more. You don't need no more. No more. Put it down. Put it down.
There.
So, what are we doing today?
We're gonna have fancy stuffing.
What's that? Okay, what are we gonna do?
Yay! Rock each other.
No, we're not,
Yeah.
Disney.
Everybody will see this highlight.
Yeah, really. Talk about my reputation. Oh, Disney.
What?
We're gonna hit the wall.
Okay, guys. Is this on fancy? Hold on. Hold on. I have hiccups.
No, you can't take a picture. Smart one.
You have lipstick in your teeth.
So do you. See? You got it. Yeah, you do. It's on this one little sharp tooth. It's on your vampire tooth.
Stop, I have the hiccups.
She has the hiccups.
Sorry, buddy, but we have to shut the computer off.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.